Hypnosis is really powerful.
Tomorrow's day, I'm gonna have my camera off and I'm gonna assume you all are trainers of hypnotherapy.
It helps people to develop the necessary skill set for hypnosis.
You're gonna all make sure that collaboratively, you're gonna simulate a full day training program from welcoming your audience, and you're gonna do the entire practitioner of ABH and train us all the way up till 2 a.m.
Today I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic with you, which is hypnosis.
उनके नेगेटिव ट्रांस से आप उनको चंक डाउन करो, जो उनका प्रॉब्लम स्ट्रक्चर है, सो आप हायरार्की में नीचे जा रहे हो एंड पोजीशन देम इन द सेंटर, और आपके सामने अगर कोई एक स्पॉट हो एंड पिक दैट स्पॉट और स्पॉट को देखते रहे एंड व्हाइल लुकिंग एट इट जस्ट रिलैक्स.
What a pendulum is. When a client comes to you and asks for help with presenting problem, neither you nor the client is aware of the mental source of that problem.
Deeper and deeper, relax.
Slowly go deeper. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, that'd be great.